The 2025 Skoda Karoq is your gateway to adventure with its bold design and smart features. Experience lane assist for confident highway driving, plus the unique dark chrome design logo on alloy wheels, adding a touch of sophistication to every journey. Step inside to experience SmartLink wireless for Apple and wired for Android, plus a Titan black interior ceiling for a sleek, unified look. Competitive finance packages available. Speak to our friendly sales team for a personalized quotation. Call or visit Platinum Škoda Bath today to schedule your test drive of the 2025 Skoda Karoq. Speak to our team about paint protection, gap insurance, and tire and wheel protection for complete peace of mind.